In today's fast-paced world, network reliability and efficiency are crucial. Setting up and configuring network switches can be a time-consuming task, often requiring significant manual effort and technical expertise. Introducing the Lantec proprietary auto-feed configuration feature, an innovative solution designed to streamline network management and maintenance. Auto-feed configuration ensures that after a switch replacement, the new device automatically receives the configuration specific to its installation location without manual intervention. Our switches periodically communicate with neighboring switches, backing up essential information and configurations. Not only do we support this convenient feature on RJ45 models, but we also offer it on M12 models, ensuring flexibility and compatibility across different types of network setups. The auto-feed configuration feature offers numerous benefits. It reduces configuration time and effort, ensures consistency across the network, facilitates easy scalability, supports diverse setups and minimizes downtime during replacements. The auto-feed configuration feature represents a leap forward in network technology, saving time and resources while enhancing network performance and reliability. Upgrade your network today with our auto-feed enabled switches and experience the future of network management. For more information, visit our website or contact us today.